Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's the Dirt Road King. Listen, today I wanted to let y'all in on a little secret of mine, being a maintenance man and a property manager of rental properties. A lot of times we have leaks at our properties, or people will call, they'll have a high water bill and they'll think they'll have a water leak or something like that. I've got a way to tell 9 times out of 10 whether or not you have a leak in your home or what's going on. A good place to start is at your meter. Go through your house and turn off all your sinks, tubs, faucets, shut-offs to all your toilets, all your sinks, your tubs, everywhere that you know you have water that will run in your house. And then come out to your meter out here, take that lid off, and right here on your meter, you're gonna have a row of numbers. This last number right here is in tenths. If you see this dial right here, this is your seconds dial right here is what I call it, but I'm guessing that right there is your tenths dial too. But if this right here is moving any, if that number moves any, or this right here moves any, then you have water moving through this meter, which means you have a leak somewhere. Water is moving through your lines, whether it be you have a toilet that's running or you have a sink that's running. I mean, it might just be a little bit, but a little bit adds up. It'll make this number roll real slow. So what I like to do is I'll mark it. You know, I'll just mark a 9 on it so I'll know that I'll come back in a little while and check it and see if that 9's still there in a little while. So if that 9's moved, I know that somewhere I've got a little water leak. I've either got a toilet that's running or a sink that's dripping. But that's it. That's a good way to find out 9 times out of 10 whether or not you got a water leak. Usually if you have a good water leak, this right here and this right here will be spinning pretty good. It'll be traveling. But you can go from there and then find out where your water leak is. But yeah, that's the way I do it, and I have figured out that right there is the easiest way to find out whether or not you have a water leak to begin with. If you ain't got water rushing out nowhere and you just got a high water bill and you want to find out what's going on. But I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.